I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have a Google account. Sign in now and keep your password ready. Open Meet. Google.com or click Meet inside Gmail to start. This creates initial access. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions so participants can hear and see you. Make sure to choose the correct camera and mic from the device menu, otherwise you'll show black screen or silent audio. If using mobile, install the Google Meet app and sign in with the same account to keep continuity. Click New Meeting to generate an instant meeting ID and link, copy it and share. Alternatively, open Google Calendar, create an event, add guests, and insert Meet conferencing. This schedules and emails the join link. Once you add guests, make sure to set permissions: who can join directly, who must ask, and present rights. If you need a recurring session, choose Repeat and adjust the time zone. These steps ensure attendees get reliable join info and prevent unauthorized and click the Meet link or enter the meeting code to join. You'll land in a preview screen. Check camera, mic, and background before joining. During the call, mute noisy participants, pin the speaker, or present your screen when needed to control focus. When finished, end the meeting for everyone or leave if others continue. If something goes wrong, try disabling browser extensions and reload the page. That resolves common permission and connectivity issues quickly and restores normal Meet behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.